Do I have the problem that I have a lot of words? I have studied grammar. So first, we are going to see how to speak in English fluently. Easy 5 tips for beginners to speak English. So the first thing we are going to see that common issues with the students of English, that they don't know how to speak in English. So we will discuss what is the basic problem with us to start to speak in English. So the first thing is that we don't have enough words. A language, when you speak any kind of language, what we have to do? We have to speak. But what we have to speak? Actually, we must have word to speak. When you speak a language, it means that we speak word after word, and the combination of words forms a sentence, and the sentences forms a language. So it is a very simple thing that we must have a vocabulary, that is the words. And the problem for Indian students is that we don't have enough words to speak in English. So because of that, we people have a great fear to speak in English. So in today's video, I am going to tell you how we can solve this problem of lack of vocabulary. Let's move to the another problem, that is we Indian people, we actually focus only on grammar because we think that the grammar is very important thing for us, and therefore every student of English who want to speak in English, who want to learn English, every student focus only on grammar, and grammar becomes very boring when you start to learn the rules of grammar. For example, change the voice or change the degree or no so than or anything else. So it gives us problem because it becomes very boring like mathematics, and we get tired and we think that okay, I don't want to speak in English, I don't want to learn English because of the grammar problem, because we focus only on grammar because of that. The third problem is that we don't have confidence. Because of the lack of confidence, because of the no confidence, we cannot speak in English. There are so many people who say that I can write in English but I can't speak because of the confidence. Okay, so keep in your mind that what you are writing, that is the thing you have to speak out. So we have to develop your confidence, the self-trust is very important to speak in English. So therefore it is very important that we should think over the building a confidence. So let's move to the another thing. This is the main important thing, because there are so many people in India, they knew English, they have a lot of words, they have a great vocabulary, but they don't have practice. There is nobody, because the surrounding, that the India has a multilingual country. There are so many languages spoken in India, and our mother tongue is also not English. So what is the problem for us? Because the surrounding people are not speaking English. So how can we speak in English if there is nobody to speak in English? So therefore we don't have a practice, because our tongue needs a practice to speak any language. If you don't have practice, we can't speak in English. So therefore no practice is a major issue that for the beginners who can't speak in English or who want to speak in English but they can't. And the next is that we don't have any interest to learn English or to speak in English, because we think that the English is a foreign language, English is the other language, and it is a very difficult language. So therefore we don't have any interest, we haven't developed any interest to learn English and to try to speak in English. So that is the common issue with the English. And the last thing is that the fear, because of the lack of vocabulary, because we think that the grammar is very boring, we don't have enough confidence, we don't have enough practice, and then the fear develops in our mind, and then we afraid English, we afraid to speak in front of people, we afraid to communicate in English because of these four things. So in today's video I'm going to cover some points, some easy tips that you can follow it and you can improve your English. So let's start with these simple ways to speak in English. To improve your English, you must raise the confidence and the curiosity in your heart to know the new words. So first thing is that you have to build up your vocabulary, and therefore you must go for what you like. You must follow your interest, and to become a curious person, you must be interested to learn new words every day. So at least every day you must learn 10 to 20 new words. And how you can do that? You can make learning new words as a fun, make it as a game. Just take your smartphone and ask Google about the English words of the, or you can see that everywhere there are a lot of things. You just ask Google that what this thing known in English, what is the word for this thing in English, and Google will give you the answer. For example, you can ask Google the names of fruits in English. You can also ask Google the names of vegetarians. You can also ask Google the things you like most, and Google is there to give you answer. You can also develop interest by reading some English newspaper daily. You know that there is nothing inside the English newspaper which never attract your attention. So something you will really like in it. So to develop your interest, just buy an English newspaper and read what you like on that newspaper. Find out the new words, ask Google the meaning of these words, and repeat them in your sentences. The second thing is that watch English videos on YouTube or watch English movies with subtitles. So this will help you to improve your pronunciation. You will get an opportunity to imitate the native English speakers. You can also listen some English songs to build up your vocabulary. So you can also buy some books which are amazing in building a good vocabulary, like Word Power Made Easy. So that is a very good book. So the third very important simple way is that make sentences by using new words every day. So after following your interest, you will collect new words daily. So you must learn 20 new words every day. Then you have to make sentences using these new words. So you have to just learn. So to do so, you have to study the basic grammar for the sentence construction. So you have to study just tenses, because tenses are the souls of any language. So you must become a master of tenses. Then nobody will stop you framing sentences or forming a sentences. The fourth thing is that think in English. Do not think in your mother tongue and then translate in English. This habit delays your fluency of English. The language of your mind is the language of your tongue. So therefore, start thinking in English. You just start thinking for a minute in the beginning about your daily routine, or your favorite dishes, or people you like, or movies, or any other subject which you have a really interest. So make it as a habit to think in English. And the last and not least is the practice to speak in English. You will speak in English only when you try to speak in English. So therefore you must practice to speak in English. At home you just stand in front of the mirror and try to speak in English for 1 minute, and just after speaking 1 minute, you just day by day you just increase the time to speak in English. So in this way you will get the practice, and definitely your English is going to improve. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video and you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you very much.